welcome back to my channel, and this is your MC25 TV. Now guys, I'll be showing you how to make a premiere using your mobile phone and while uploading the video. So first thing that you're going to do guys is just do it on your YouTube studio, and while the video is uploading, just open, click the title and then click the pen sign, and then at the right side you will see there pending. You click that one, set schedule, and then select the time and date where you want it to be showing, and then just save the changes that you're going to do, done, the time, okay, and then just click on done. And then save changes. Once you're done with everything that you want to change as your premiere, just click on save changes. So again, just click on pending, schedule, select the time and date, done, and then save changes. At this time, click the schedule, and then you will see there set as premiere, done, save changes. So that's how you're going to set up a premiere guys. If you have videos that you want to set as premiere, and then you can select a trailer if you want, but if not, then that's fine. So again, it's just so simple guys. What you're going to do is just, once the video is still uploading, you can click on the title, then of course you do this on the YouTube studio. Click the title and then click the pen sign, and then at the right side you will see there pending. Select the time and date where you want it to be showing, and then just click on done once you're done with it. Now you click the schedule, and then you will have there an option which is set as premiere. So just click that one, select a set as premiere, and then again you press done, and then save changes again. So once you'll be able to go back to your uploaded video, it will be set as premiere as shown here guys. See, it's still pending, but once i-update natin yan guys, or i-refresh natin yan, tingnan mo, it's going to be set as premiere. So that's all guys, and I hope you learned something from this tutorial, and thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it guys. See you in my next video. Have a great day everyone, whatever you do, wherever you go. This is your MC25 TV. That's how you're going to set up your premiere video using your mobile phone. Very simple and easy to follow. Ingat everyone. Bye.